Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs like this, tie it from the between, tie it and join it on the between like this one by one. Fix the hairs using the rubber band and then after that tie the hairs from the between like this. Tie all the hairs, divide it and then rotate it. Now fold it upward and fix it. Tie it using a rubber band and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, tie it and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, divide the hairs and then make the plaits like this. Take the hairs, tie the hairs and make the plaits. Fold it and then fix it like this by rolling it upward. Now again fix it and your hair bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts. Now, take these small sections and divide it again. So, totally we will divide the hairs into four parts. Now, rotate them from the between like this. Rotate each section of the hairs. Now, fix them together, two of them together and fix it like this. Put the rubber band and fix it properly. Now, take the hairs from the sides, roll it like this, fix it by rotating it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides. Take the hairs in small sections. Now roll them together like this. Again take the hairs, keep rolling it one by one, fold it and fix it properly like this. Keep rolling the hairs, tie it and then fix it on the sides. Make the plaits on the hairs. Now follow the same step for the other side. So we will also fix a beautiful ribbon or the hairband on the hairs, and for fixing the ribbon on it, we will make the plaits on the sides. Tie it and your hairstyle will be ready. Don't forget to make a bow on the side using a ribbon like this and it's done. Next, tie the ponytail. Now divide the hairs into four parts or two parts. Now divide them and fix it in the between like this. It will look like the plaited hairs, but here we have using a different technique. Fix it like this, divide it from the bottom and tie it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail. Divide it from the bottom like this and rotate it one time like this. Now fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it using the bun pin like this. Put it and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs. Now roll the hairs together like this. So take small sections from the sides, join it by rolling it like this. So after taking the hairs, we will roll around the hairs like this and fix it. So watch the video very carefully how we are fixing the hairs and how it will be looking like this. Fix it till the bottom, tie it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Divide the hairs like this and fix them into each other. So it will look like the plaited hairs, but here we are using a different technique like this. Fix it one by one very properly. Tie it, take it till the bottom like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.